How to change Snapchat password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account, and then simply tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. So first let's tap on the icon over here. So let's tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and then simply select on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, leading us to settings. Now you can see there are different options over here. So let's tap on the password option right available over here on settings. So let's select on password, and here you can simply tap on the password if you already know, but if not, if you want to change it, you can simply tap on forgot your password, or you can simply use phone or email over here. But if you remember it, you can simply enter the old password over here, and then you can get the option to change your password later on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.